You create year-round income with a pop-up drink stand by rotating your menu and location with the seasons instead of relying on just one product or one spot. So you have hot drinks and indoor markets in winter, and cold drinks and outdoor events in summer. Here's the part most people never think about. A pop-up drink stand is not really a drink business, it is a location business wearing a drink costume. Your income depends way more on where you set up than what you are selling. In the summer, you chase outdoor festivals, farmers markets, and sporting events with lemonade, iced coffee, and fruit teas. Once fall hits, you pivot to hot cocoa, apple cider, and spiced coffee at holiday markets, tailgates, and tree lot pop-ups. In deep winter, you move indoors completely, setting up inside gyms, churches, and office buildings for hot drinks during events people are already attending. The secret trick experienced vendors use is booking recurring weekly spots like a farmer's market every Saturday or an office lobby every Friday, because repeat locations build regular customers who start expecting you, and that steady traffic is what actually creates year-round income instead of random one-off events. One common mistake is only booking one big seasonal event and assuming it will carry you through slow months. So instead, build a simple calendar 3 months ahead, with at least 2 smaller recurring bookings each month. Another mistake is keeping the exact same menu all year, which kills sales when the weather changes. So test 2 or 3 seasonal drinks each quarter and drop whatever does not sell. A lot of vendors also forget to collect customer contact information at each stop, and that is a huge missed opportunity. So use a simple sign-up sheet or a quick text club so you can text people about your next location instead of hoping they find you again by luck. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.